What happened, my child?
Who is this?
I am the android god. I can see some frustration on your face, my child.
Yes, God, I'm not able to send the message.
Is your phone Android?
Yes, please show me the way, God.
Do not worry. Here comes BlackBerry with a brand new app BBM Messenger. Ping it, use it, download it.
Good morning, guys. Our topic for today is BlackBerry Messenger. I and my partner, myself, Dennis Bernard, and Sony Marandi will be just walking you all through this application. So, Sony Marandi will be briefing all about the introduction of the application. So, here it goes.
I was just reading about the BlackBerry Messenger. It is a product of BlackBerry. First, it was only for the BlackBerry platform, but recently in this year 2013, it has been launched for iOS and Android. And by a survey, it is known that in the first 24 hours of its launch, 10 million people have been downloaded this app. In case if you have never owned a BlackBerry, then now BBM allows you to communicate through BlackBerry server without requiring message pack from your wireless carrier. You can send message and you can see when it is delivered and when it is read. You can also send message to multiple people at once, and you can chat with a group of people. You can also send photos and documents, and you can update status. Uh, which can be checked before anybody reaches you. That's it. Now BBM is available for multiple devices, but it does not support many features like voice call and video call in iOS and Android. And all the BBM users get a unique PIN through which you can communicate with other BBM users. When you install BBM, you'll get a mail in which you'll get your unique pin, and with the help of that pin you can communicate. What else?
Guys, as you all just heard Sony Marandi talking just briefly all about the whole application. I'll just be talking to you all about the features, the main features of BBM which is offered to the customers. So first of all, I would start off with like BBM lets you stay always connected. It doesn't need any other application for it to run on. It's a totally independent application which can on its own. If the phone is on or off, the BBM stays on once it's registered. You can manually turn it off, but almost all the time it will be on. The another thing is the user has a clear understanding when he sends a message, is it delivered or not. Here D states next to the message, if D symbol is present, that means that the message is delivered. If R is stated next to the message, that sent message, it means the message is read by the user on the other side. The next thing is in this application has many applications have been developed like WhatsApp and WeChat, etc. like that. Even this has an ability of emotions. Every emotions can be expressed by the user, like smileys or stickers, etc. 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 The other main feature of this is privacy. The user has a total privacy on his account itself. See, most of the other chat options gives you like you choose like through number or email address, but in this the mobile number is not at all in the scene. As soon as you register, you get a separate pin, where this pin is used by all the other users to communicate between each other. So this pin, if at all the user shares this pin, he has the ability to communicate with another one. In this you can choose the contact. It's the same as you can see, as I think so all of you are familiar with Facebook. If at all person sends you a request, that's when you accept it and they become from friends. It's the same way. So when a customer user has to communicate with another user, he has to send a message first, where then this user accepts the message. That's when the communication, the line is a link is established to communicate. After this, the main features of this is chat and share with many at once. So the main three main three chatting options are groups, multiple person chats, and broadcast messages. Groups, a user can create his own group. So in a group he can add as many friends as possible. So when he shares any image or videos or documents, anything, it's shared between all his friends. There'll be an admin for every group. So who creates the group? He has a whole control of the group, and only if he accepts the content which is being uploaded in the group, that's when the contents will be appear to all the other members in the group. See, another one is multi-person chat. So as you all can see, as I think so in telephone, there's a call called conference call. It's the same way. In this, 2 or 3 people come together. It is not a group. It's just that 2 or 3 people, a link is established between 2 or 3 people, and they can chat continuously in a manner, in a sequential manner. So they can talk. As usual, we talk in an open place or something. It creates an interface where you can have a chat between 3 or 4 people. Another thing is broadcast messages. Uh, for example, let us take Facebook. In Facebook, you can put a status. That status states that what is your message towards your friends, or what state are you in right now. It's the same way in broadcast messages. If you have to broadcast it to all your contacts, you don't have to send it to each one personally. There's an option of broadcasting it. You just write the message in that and just click broadcast. And that go is broadcast everyone present in your contacts. So these are the main 3 features. Moving on, in this, it's normal as other chat options. You can create your own profile. You can have your own profile pic, your status, and all the other informations you needed. So there's an option of creating your own profile.
This is the homepage of BBM. Here we can see the chats. There are no chats available now. Here we can see the contacts. To invite, we can invite by barcode scan, by PIN, by email, or by SMS. Here are the groups. You can create new groups. You can give group name, add description, and how many members. Then there are a few more options like help, settings, invite to BBM, create new group, and join group. In settings, there are show my country and time, music status update, BBM connected icon, all notifications, vibrate on off, tone, LED color, save chat history, show icon barcode with keyboard, contacts and security questions in invites, and edit blocks, versions, and report a problem. And there are more options like chats, contacts, groups, updates, and invites.
Okay, guys, has heard the whole briefing about the briefing and the debriefing about our app, BBM, that is BlackBerry Messenger. It was a great journey which we just walked through, and it's come to an end. It's a sad, but I think so all of you are very much enthusiastic in downloading this app and using it. I look forward that all of you will enjoy using this app just because we have done it. Shabbat.